Sending emails with Mailgun. So let's get started. In this video, you will learn how to send emails with Mailgun. First of all, create a Mailgun account if you have not already signed up for a Mailgun account on their website. Number 2, add and verify your domain. After signing up, you need to add and verify the domain from which you will be sending emails. This involves adding DNS records provided by Mailgun to your domain's DNS settings. Number 3, obtain API credentials. Once your domain is verified, you will get API credentials, an API key, and a domain-specific API-based URL from the Mailgun dashboard. Number 4, install Mailgun SDK or library. Depending on the programming language you are using, you will need to install the Mailgun SDK or library. Mailgun provides SDKs for the various languages like Python, PHP, Ruby, etc. You can find these on Mailgun's Git hub page or web package managers like pip for Python and Composer for PHP. Now, write code to send mails. Use the Mailgun SDK in your chosen programming language to write code that sends email. Here's a big example using Python. Now, replace your domain name with your Mailgun domain. For example, you can see in the screen with your Mailgun API key and recipient at example.com with the recipient's email address. Test and deploy. Once you have written your code, test it to ensure that emails are being sent correctly. After testing, deploy your code to your production environment. Monitor your email sending activity through the Mailgun dashboard. If you encounter any issues, Mailgun provides documentation and support to help you troubleshoot. That's all. That's how you can send emails with Mailgun.